Good morning guys, and for today's video I wanted to show the Senalook cap again because I think the last time when I did it was like just with Lipsons. I didn't remember showing the other thing like Shadow Sense and all. So now we have pretty much liner sense, eyeshadows, the eyeliners, mascara, blush, everything. So I thought I wanted to make a video on that. So that's the one we are going to do. So let's go ahead and see it. So here I'm showing you the app store where you can download the Senalook app. The Senalook app will be updated once you have the new releases. So once you download, make sure you keep updating them. I wanted to show the Lipsons first. Once you open the Lipsons tab, you can pretty much try any colors here. You can see even the new releases got added. Like this makes it very easy for you to try the shades, because even when you try in person you cannot try these many colors at one go. And once you like a color, make sure you click the center button, the camera button. That way it will ask you whether you want to store it in your gallery, and you can save it and go back and compare the colors. For example, if you like two or three, so if once you click the gallery button, it will save, it will ask you whether you can save it in the photo library, and you can go back and see them later. So that way you can pretty much try the endless combos here. The Senalook app will show only the colors that are in stock in the website. So maybe some of the few colors, even though I have it in stock, you may not see them here. But this will give you a nice idea. So here I am trying the two lip balms, since we do have a clear lip balm and two tinted lip balms. You can do it here. The same way you can store the lip balm too. And as I said, since it gets updated frequently, here you have easy availability of checking the colors. And the same way you can do the lip gloss too. Here it will give an idea the lip gloss on its own, but as you know, most of the time you will either use the lip gloss to seal the color, or you can wear the color on its own. So sometimes the gloss may look a little different on as it is on alone. For me, 90% of the time I try to seal the color with a gloss. Even if I don't want to wear a color, I'll still do like a one layer and then seal the gloss. That way the gloss will have a base to hold on to it. You can see even the new matte glosses are available in there. And here you can see the blushes. I think doing the blushes here will give you an idea which shade may look I mean which will look on your skin tone. We have the powders, we have the Shadow Sense colors, because Shadow Sense, this makes it really easy, because I have created looks where you layer two or three shades. But this is like for beginners too, because if you are going to layer only one shade, you can pretty much pick from here. That way you can know which shades will look with your eye color and also on your skin tone, and which can be worn as individual shades. And these shades are maybe little bit pigmented in the picture, but you don't have to do this dark too. You can even start with very light layers and build on top of it. So that is the other thing to note. And we do have the eye sense colors, like the pen, both the pencils and also the liquid liners. So you can see it shown as a winged liner. So once you save it to the gallery, maybe you can zoom in and see the colors more. So both the pencil colors like green, brown, and the liquid liners, ocean, and ocean is a blue liquid eyeliner. So you have the choice of looking at both of them. So that is the main advantage of using the Sanalook app. And as I said, even in person you won't have time to see all of this makes it like a quick reference for you to go back and visit anytime, and you can even make like your own wish list and store them and pick from there too. And you will be able to group. So as I have showed the Sanalook app, you might have seen that I have saved it in the gallery too, so that way you can save the colors you like and go back and see the comparison. The Sanalook app is what is it, like it may be like 80% right, because still it depends on your pH balance sometimes, and also the if you already have any color or not. That's why I recorded without any color, any Lipson's color or eye color in my before the video. So that way you will get an idea, and always the swatches help too, because as I say, sometimes the color may be consistency of the color may be different. Like some of them will be very sheer, some of them will be thick, and some will have glitters in the picture, but sometimes it may not be shown. Even if you see it in the tube, sometimes it may not be that visible when you apply it. So for today's color I have done boysenberry, but I topped it with Bella matte glass. So that's the combo I did for today, and you can see how the color looks really pretty. And for this week, Tuesday or Thursday, I'm posting the skincare samples. So if you are looking to add for this month, please make sure to ping me so that I can add you to that. And there is going to be a contest that's going on in my Instagram page, so do participate in that. I have shared the details there. So that's all for today's video. Have a wonderful day.